When it comes to EDM, easy machine maintenance makes all the difference. So let's find out just how quick and easy it is to maintain this KMWAY EK Series. Andy, the thing with wire EDM machines is obviously they're built for accuracy and surface finish, but to make sure you're getting the most of your machine, obviously you need to do maintenance. So how easy is the maintenance on this machine?
Yeah, routine maintenance is obviously a core part of making sure the machine is performing the best it can be, and we're not going to get away from that. But the beauty of this machine is that it's been designed in a way that rather than having to do, weekly upper and lower head full strip down and cleans to maintain that accuracy, we can push that out to months at a time. When you do come to do that maintenance on the upper and lower head, it's also been designed in a way that it's quick and easy to strip down and clean, that you don't need to be a maintenance department coming in to be really afraid with tooling and stripping things down for you to do it. And that's all covered in the training aspect that you get when you buy the machine.
So you spoke about the upper and lower head, but what about the filters? Because they can be quite a pain sometimes to get in and out.
Yeah, of course. Now, the filters, depending on what you're cutting with, will need to be changed, but the system does have a sensor on the pressure. It also has a gauge so you can see that. But it's been designed in such a way that they do last for twice as long as a lot of our competitors' filters. And when you come to change them, there's no fiddly fixtures or fittings. They do just unscrew and come straight out the front side door.
So overall, it is quite easy and simple to keep this machine running.
Yeah, and it's keeping it running at a high level. Day-to-day running is not going to get interrupted by the routine maintenance on this machine. You can plan it in well ahead of schedule, and it's going to be a very small amount of the time compared to what you're going to get in the running time.